Bitcoin life-changing opportunity is awaiting. You shouldn't ignore it. Today, I'll break down some of the trades that I took and some of the trades that I'm currently in. We'll also see what could be the verdict for this month coming into March and break down the charts. Guys, thank you so much for being here. Let's see who's here today. I gave a lot of my Twitter followers VIP access on Discord. If you haven't joined, you know the link is in the description box. I know some of the people that are live here are already in my Discord, and also like the video so we can grow the channel and yeah, we can get as many people as possible, because here is where we do real technical analysis and help traders to become better in the very, very tough game. Guys, it's very tough, I'm not gonna lie. You know, today, no, from last night, if you're in the Discord, you know that from last night we took a trade. Move to the charts, please. No, that's me. Why am I not? Wait, let me stop that. All right, here we are. So first of all, let me open the chat because I can't see you guys. No, not like that. Not like that. Like that. Yeah. Okay, type something in the chat so I can see you. Legit is here as well. I can see that too. Harvey. Who's Harvey? We haven't seen Harvey before, have we? Hi, Harvey. Anyway, you guys, okay, so this is what we're dealing with right now. We had this first trade. Unfortunately, that hit stop loss. I was actually very annoyed because this was a very good trade. Hi, Ed. Yeah, but the thing is, when we had this entry, it was last night into the Asia session. We were going into the Asian session. It would have been such a beautiful trade on a retrace. But yeah, Asia didn't want to do anything, and then London came in and just took us out. And to be honest, because I didn't take this trade last night, and if you're on Discord, you already know. Hi, Ryan. But hi, everyone. Sugar Cookie. Yes, smash the like button. So you guys know that this was a trade from last night, and then this morning I felt a bit FOMO because the trade looked still very good. So I took it, and I got wrecked. Which is fine because we knew that we have a short trade also coming in. Now, again, the problem with this short trade I'm in right now, I took it. It's, again, very good setup. It's a similar setup to the previous one, but now that we have a bit of volatility, I'm hoping this one works out. And usually, if I take two trades and I get like wrecked on two trades, I stop trading for the day because it gets like really, really annoying. You just need to like take the loss and be like, okay, today was a losing day, and that's it. And then, you know, just digest it and kind of like forget about it. Yeah, Joker knows best, right, mate? Joker. Oh my God, what a good trade that was. You know, people were blaming me. Well, not blaming me, but legit was asking earlier, is this like you trying to catch a falling knife? And not at all. As you can see, the trade was very short. It was like the idea was just on a retrace. Very simple trade. We had a breaker block right here. So I was testing that and it didn't go very well, but this one should be a good entry. There is many reasons why this short trade could fail as well. Considering we have Asia high here, liquidity, you know, so it pretty much is possible that this one fails as well. But yeah, I hope it doesn't. And if it does, guess what? I have a long trade as well. So I don't know. I should be following my rules. We should be following our rules. That means don't take 3 trades. Like if you said that you're going to take 2 trades, take 2 trades, close the day. But I know that if this trade fails, there might be a really good long entry as well waiting for around this area. Let's have a look. I've actually marked it. This is going to be a really good long position down here. And then, but it's not going to be, stop loss is kind of fat. We can look into the take profits for this position if it comes to that. But for now, this is the position I'm in, so that's what I'm watching. I'm at work, so may have to leave, drop a hat at any point. Samir, that's fine, man. Don't worry. I'm here every day, Monday to Thursday. You're not going to miss anything. So yeah. This is the current trade that I'm in right now. Let's hope we bank on this one because I honestly, I don't like losing. And the worst thing is where I've had so many winning trades in a row and then you start like losing is like so annoying. I really don't like that. But anyway, it doesn't get easier, you guys. I'm going to tell you that much. Like, it never gets easier. Losses are just like, they hurt. They hurt a lot. All right, so let's zoom out a little bit on here and see what's happening. We're going to keep that chart here. So yeah, on a 4-hour, we're still looking bearish. We had a little bit of signs of life up here. High cloud chaser, a little bit of signs of life up here. Coming into Asia, absolutely failure into London. Still bearish. Not a good look at all. Not a good look. Ethereum is still bearish. Nothing has changed for ETH. By the way, ETH is still bearish. If we look at the sweep signals down here, we can see that ETH is bearish. Target down here. Like we saw Solana. Solana is showing a bit of strength right now, but that doesn't mean that it's going to hold. You guys, we just need to be very patient because honestly, like, I like trading and I don't mind, right? I don't mind trading, scalping throughout the day. But ideally, what we want to see is the big, massive drop, because this is not the end, in my opinion. Like, if you go on Twitter and you're like, yo, you're seeing like a lot of people that are, oh, this is the bottom, this is the bottom. This is not the bottom, you guys. This cannot be the bottom. And I'll tell you why. Let me just try to make this a little bit. You see the prices like that. This is not the bottom. It just simply cannot be the bottom, because look at the range that we've been into, right? We're just breaking out of this range right now. Okay, so some people can call this like an AMD situation as well, right? Accumulation, manipulation to the downside, which is going to be the leg down, and then distribution to the upside. This is AMD for any new traders here. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. That's pretty much what we're seeing right here. There is no way in hell that Bitcoin is not going to recover, because we know that the all-time high is liquidity. So we're going to see that breakout, and we're going to see that breakout hard. But in order for us to see that breakout hard, we have to drop. We have to drop. We have to collect more money, right? Because we are what? We're market makers. We think like market makers. We have to collect a lot of money so we can have enough to bring the price up as much as we want. Now, this is going to be generational for us. Like, me as a trader, this is all I want to see. Because imagine now, imagine if we just exited that range here to the upside. That's not, it's very, very unlikely that you're going to exit this range and have like a massive leg to the upside. Where do you think the bottom is? I'm going to bet on the SME gap down here. That's where I think the bottom is. So we're looking at in between 80,640 Bitcoin to about 77,890. So I think I'm going to start placing my bets at around the beginning to the middle of this SME gap here. That's where I'm going to start betting on Bitcoin. I think that will be a very, very good drop, substantial drop, right? Range, send it down, and then explode it to the upside. That will just be ideal for me. And once we reach here, oh my God, there's so many, like I have one buy zone here at 80,157, another buy zone, but that's too low, 76, probably not. So I'll probably start entering around $80,000, 300, right? Of course, when price goes there, we're going to make decisions as we go, right? Because that's what we need to do. We need to wait for price to go there and then give some signs of reversal and then trade it. Today is a Wednesday. Wednesdays are usually a reversal days, which is why I wanted to catch this long, But it's not too late. I might take a third trade on here if we fail this one. You know, yeah, it's going to be a loss. I'm going to lose a little bit of money, but who cares if we can catch the long from here? Right here. This is going to be the trade. It's like very, very fat stop loss, though. It's really not what I like to do. It's really not what I like to do. Like, why would you do that to me? Oh, what am I doing? No, I didn't mean that. Okay, so if we take the fib, oh, sorry, that's wrong direction. You know, when you draw the fibs, you always want to do them in the direction that price is going to. Ah, that's such a, oh my God. Is this what we're going to get? This is it? 1.67? Oh, that's such a disappointment. But yeah, that would be potentially the trade that I'll be looking to take if I get stopped out on this one as well. I'll be surprised if it drops much below 82K, which is around the 200-day. Yeah. Well, see, the thing with that is the 200 EMAs can be wicked big time. And if we drop to that area, I'm expecting a serious wickage, if that's even a word. It's going to be a serious wickage if we drop down to this area, you guys. So, yeah, this could happen. This is so annoying, though. If I get rigged twice today, that's such a nasty thing. I was so like happy. I was even thinking of starting like a funded account today and trade these things. I'm so glad I didn't, because that would be like 2 losses in a day on a funded account. That would be so annoying. We may take out the Asia high yet and go to 90Ks. 90K, I'm not doing. Wickage is now definitely a word. Yes. Wickage is now definitely a word. You know what I'm gonna do? I'll probably like find out some music for us to kind of like listen to music while we look at this chart, because it's just so annoying. Yeah, let's look at Ethereum a little bit before I completely lose my mind. Let's have a look on the 15-minute. Yeah, Ethereum is holding quite well. It's rejecting again from our support here at 2,376. Not gonna lie, that doesn't look too bad. I probably should have focused on Ethereum today. But no, I was like, nah, I want to trade Bitcoin. And that's what you get, Gabby. Look at this weak rejection from our zone. We cleared the liquidity both sides, here and down here. 90K now resistance, dumped to 75. Not 75, Aqua. We're hoping for 80. We're hoping for 80. You know what? The only thing that I'm happy about seeing this right now, actually, let's get rid of this one because we don't need to see that anymore. The only thing that's nice here about this wick is we close this 4-hour candle and we start to fill the wick. That'll be so nice. That'll be so nice. But the way it's looking at the moment, like I might get stopped. Play shift trance music. Shift? Please don't talk to me about Indian gods, okay? I'm actually crazy. I used to go to this Indian guru gathering, which was insane, with like 500 Indian people, and I'll sit down and I'll be like the only white person in the whole fucking building. It was so crazy. And I'll, you know, do the mantras and all that stuff. Let's play funk. What's funk? Am I like behind on something? What's funk? Please, please stop. Stop it right there. Just stop it here. Enough. Not pretty, not pretty at all. What a rakeage day. I should have just waited a bit long. Samir, see you, mate. No problem. I'll see you soon. You're not gonna miss much. Let's have a look at ETH BTC a little bit. Let's have a look at... Ooh, that's some recovery. Oh my God. Yeah. ETH is definitely going to gain some strength. So when this starts reversing ETH BTC, I use Ethereum as my main signal provider soon as this starts happening. And this will happen, as you can see. We have so much liquidity. So once ETH BTC starts gaining momentum, we're gonna pretty much like stop looking at Bitcoin and like focus on Ethereum mostly. But it's not there yet. It is not there yet. We still need to wait. It was joke. Let's play beautiful music. All right, give me some music. You know what? I actually found out that you can't really play music because they're gonna close my channel. Fall premiere. I think I'm going to the beach instead. Today, 75, sunny in South California. Oh, sorry, South Florida. What am I saying? Yeah, that sounds nice. I wish I was there, but no. All right, what else should we look at today? Besides looking at this wreckage right here. Let's get rid of the liquidity. This should be a very, very nice trade. It needs to work out. Traditional markets are on the rise, so BTC is responding accordingly. What's on the rise? What are you talking about? Legit, what are you talking about? Hi, Alex. Is this what you're talking about? Is this a rise for you? Is this a rise? So this was a rise too, this was a rise too, this was a rise too. Yeah, we're pretty much looking at NQ as the same thing. Yeah, I guess ES is a little bit stronger. Yeah, S&P is a little bit stronger today. Let's have a look on the 4-hour. Yeah, S&P is showing some strength. S&P is definitely showing some strength today. Well, we're gonna see earnings. We're gonna see earnings today as well, which is probably gonna move the market. Nvidia's earnings are coming end of the market today, so it's a huge I guess you mean fair value gap. Can you explain what you see there? When is the next twerk dance episode? Oh, my next twerk dance episode. Not today. Today I'm pissed off. Today I'm pissed off. I want to see my shorts working out. At least one of my trades needs to work out today. If it doesn't, I'm gonna count myself impatient, to be honest. Because I saw the long trade here in this region. But yeah, let's see. Okay, thanks for your honesty about losing. I often feel like the only loser in this market if we believe. Yeah, karma. It's, yeah, I understand completely. I understand completely, karma, because everyone is trying to project that they're the best traders and that they're like winning every single trade. This is not what happens. Like, this is just not the reality of the situation. Yeah, we haven't taken the Asia high. Yeah, let me get rid of this actually. We don't need those take profits anymore. And to be honest, if this fails, I'm not even going to take the long trade because it's not worth it. The stop loss is too big. I'm just going to call it a day. And that's it. I wanted a traditional Bulgarian recipe of your naan earlier, but you didn't reply in time. Traditional Bulgarian recipe? Oh my god, my nan has her recipes in like this old book. She might be here. My nana watches me every day, by the way. Just ask her. Just ask her if she's here. Nana, are you watching me? Say yes or no, please. She's always watching me. Nana is always here. Nana is always here. Not Nana. Nana. Just Nana. It's gonna be crazy if we get beef stew. No, not beef stew. Come on. Not beef stew. I like vegetables. I like vegetables. I don't digest meat so well. I mean, I eat a lot of meat, but it's like I stopped. Before when I used to like buff a little bit. Goop scoop. Legit knows about the goop scoop. Yeah, no goop scoop for me, man. No goop scoop for me. No goop scoop for me. We need to wait for 9 o'clock tonight. Then we know the 4-hour close. Is it 9? What time is that? UK time, you mean? Or what is it? Because I'm on a UK chart here. Like my time frame is UK chart. That's what I'm used to. So that's what I use. Let's see if there is any other clues we can get here. Yeah, you're right. If S&P is so strong, legit has a point actually. S&P is really strong today and it's taken liquidity and NQ hasn't. Actually, let's pull up to see if there's any divergences. Am I gonna see my divergences? Here. Mr. Vane is in Holland. Yeah, I used to live in Holland so many years. So many years. Bullish divergence here for that high. That indicator is quite useful actually. Not gonna lie. What are we looking at? 15 minutes? Yeah, but we're reaching a sell zone to be fair. On NQ. Man, this is so confusing today. Now it's like what I like to call I'm in my revenge trading mode. Not great. Look to your 4-hour chart. We just swept the 4-hour fractal low. Which asset? Hi, CryptoFart. Masky Gaming loves me. Yay! I think Nasdaq hits around 21,500 and then dips again. All right, let's look at him. 21,900? Is that what you said? Oh, 500. Yeah, potentially. It really depends. We can't see anything here. All I see is this liquidity down here on Nasdaq, so it's bearish. It is bearish. I don't see it being too strong for too long. It needs to take that liquidity. It needs to take that liquidity. And we need to hit take profit on this trade. Please, please, please. Not 2 rakeages in one day. I blew up a 10K trading account once, revenge trading, yeah. What, real money or like funded account? Because I've blew up so many of them. So many. Countless. I don't even know how many, but at least they're like with fake money, right? Like funded accounts. Oh, real. Nice one. Lovely. Yeah, I've done that too. Done that too. It's not very cute. It's not very cute. But you shouldn't do it. Like, that's what a lot of people don't realize. Like, you shouldn't really trade until you actually have succeeded a little bit to some extent on a demo account, right? Because if you haven't succeeded on a demo account, there is like absolutely zero chance you're going to make anything on a real account. But there is also the problem of like trading demo accounts, and then you're thinking, it's not important what I lose, so you don't really care. And when you start trading, you're a bit more scared, and that like stops you from taking like any good trades, which is a huge problem. And then you get FOMO, and then it's terrible. But to be honest with you, like once you have your trading strategy developed and you're like trading real money, you start treating them like play money. It's kind of nuts, right? Like you can have a trading account of like 50,000, 10,000, 15,000, $500,000, and it's just your play money, right? It's actually insane. It is actually insane. Oh, I'll be so sad if I lose this trade as well because it looks so good. It just looks so good. But what I'm gonna do is I'll probably close some profits if it drops down around the 85K, like close partial of the position, because I just wanna secure my previous loss. You know what I mean? That's how I'd manage this trade. So I'll probably take some profit here, secure my loss from the previous trade, move my stop loss to break even, and then at least I'm clear for today. Because if you end up on zero, it's still a win, in my opinion, right? If you've traded and you manage to get on break even, to me, that day is still a win. Shit, we're staying above the 15-minute block from yesterday. 15-minute block from yesterday? Which 15-minute block from yesterday? What are you talking about? Plusly, what are you talking about? You mean this one here? Are you talking about this one? We traded straight through it. Don't you see? The body closes here. We traded straight through it. That's why I'm willing to bet on a little bit of a further drop. The block you said we need a close above for a long when you went to sleep. Oh, you mean that one? Yeah, we're trading above it. Yeah, we're trading above it. Yeah. But that doesn't mean anything. Like we shouldn't go below this low. Like we shouldn't have crossed this low. This is where we had the stop loss, right? And we did. So for me, that trade is invalidated. Do you see what I mean? I have no business staying in that trade if we cross that low here. Come on now. That was also the low at on the 4-hour, right? We had a 4-hour low that was holding our bullish bias. It was here. That low right here. Let me delete that for you. How can I delete it? Oh yeah, like that. See? That low here. This fractal candle was supposed to protect this position. If this fractal candle is not protecting this position, we have no business in that trade, right? Because now we just had a sweep. So what do we do now? We wait for a confirmation on the 4-hour. If we trade the 4-hour chart, in this case, we're playing about with the 15-minute. Hence why we're short right now. Or I'm short, to be more precise. Yeah. I just want this to completely fail and drop down. Just give me 85K. 85K, I'm happy to call it a break even. And then if it continues let it continue. I don't care. Otherwise, no. So, guys, I have a question for you. How can I put music that is not like protected by any rights or whatsoever? So we can just like play music, but then not have the channel closed forever and banned, if you know what I mean. What can we do? What kind of music can we put so we can just um have some good vibes around here? Sing yourself. Paul Premier. Sing yourself. Who are you, Paul Premier? I told you yesterday. What did you tell me? I don't remember. Mm. Copyright free lofi chill? I don't know. I don't want to have any music that's like that's going to be that people are going to come after me and be like, "Hey, I don't want that." Search non-copyright database online. Some AI generated music? Don't we have like any YouTube music that we can play that is not like that is not ah who am I? Who am I? I am someone who enjoys trading crypto. Okay. Check your DM on Discord. Wait, okay, I'll open Discord. My DMs. Who's sending me? Oh, legit. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Gabby, you need some kind of intro screen music because your live videos are halfway through the sentence. That is not true. That is not true because if you go and if you replay it, it's going to be right in time. Music for YouTube without getting banned. Just search free non-copyright databases online. Also, you should probably consider some legal disclaimer at the start of your live videos. So you don't get your sued if someone decides to follow your advice and gets totally rigged. P.S. I'm messing around most of the time trying to press your buttons. Oh, legit. Oh man. It never gets old with you. All right, so what are we doing? What are we doing about the music? Wait. Let's find out together. Free non-copyright. There is a lot of copyright-free lofi music on YouTube. So you're telling me that I can just go on YouTube and find free non-copyright music. Oh, all right, let's test this. Let me test this. Okay. Free non-copyright music. Lofi. Lofi. I hope you're putting us on something nice here, Sugar Cookie, because make sure to read their descriptions, though some people ask for credit. Oh, that's now too complicated. Why don't you guys just find something and like send it to me on Discord and I'll play it for us? How about that? That'll be like much easier, I think. Because if I go now and I want to look at this chart, let's look at the 5 minute a little bit. Come on, fail, fail. Price, fail. Lofi music, no copyright, no copyright music. Wait, let's see if I can hear that. Skip. Why am I not hearing it? Is it on, this thing? Can you guys hear something? You play music from Afghanistan. Afghanistan have beautiful music. Hold on 1 second. No copyright music. Read the description. Subscribe to the channel. Free download. The song is free to use on YouTube, but you must include the following credit in your video YouTube description. Oh, come on now. I'm not gonna go ahead and do that now. But you must do like no, we just want to play like free stuff. Lofi hip hop, copyright free. Let's try this one. Don't go anywhere. Wait. Free copyright music to download and use as your free YouTube background music for YouTube. You can download this Lofi free and many other songs. To use this free background music, you must credit the original artist in your video description or end credits. See, like everyone wants that. What's the point? Ask Dylan. He probably has someone that's actually like done some music for him that he uses or whatever. I'm pretty sure he does that. Where is the volume? What's happening here? We're supposed to be in New York session. What is happening here? What is happening? Is this for real now? Look at that. That's ridiculous. Is that the volume? We had more volume during London session, for God's sakes. Banter got their own DJ. Yeah, they have a DJ in the studio on the background. Just playing for everyone. Music. Oh man. This is so annoying. Can you give us some profit, please? Please. Bolna Sake is copyright song written by me. No copyright issue. Anupam. Bolna Sake. What kind of song is that? Yeah, we have NVIDIA earnings today. We know. We know. We know. We're not retards. We know. This is so annoying. Why do I have to sit down here and just wait to get stopped out right now? This is what I don't understand. At least give some volume. That's why I'm trading in New York. Like, I like to see volume. It would have been better to trade on like a 1 minute time frame at this point. Just fail. Fail for once. Fail when we want you to fail. It's old Bollywood vibe song. Oh, I see. I'm not into that kind of stuff though. I'm not into, I mean, I like Bollywood a lot. I think it's I think you guys have the greatest actors and such a good humor and comedy. Take your loss and move on. Lose half instead of all. No. No. I still believe in the setup. That's the problem. Last week, volume pumped at the start of every New York opening. It should be the case every single time. To be honest, it's been happening for a while now. You get a pump on New York Open, and then it's yeah, it's bearish. Or in other cases, if you get dumped, it's bullish. All of these things change all the time, right? Like all these strategies and stuff like that, they work for a certain amount of time, and for a certain amount of time they don't work. This is the thing. Like I have had moments where I'm like profitable like every single day for like, let's say, probably I've had 2 weeks. I've probably had 2 weeks in a row. And then it comes 1 week that I can't win a single trade. And it's like, what is going on? Like it really pains me, but I still believe in this entry. Like there is no reason for me to close it. Like I've taken the entry, I've calculated my risk. Is Sol cooked? Sol is actually holding up pretty nicely right now. So is actually holding pretty nicely, but in my opinion, it's a bit cooked, yeah. I mean, look at this. Do you see a bullish week on Sol since we got to the high? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bearish candles. We're printing right now the following bearish candle. I don't think we're done. Like I'll be looking for Sol a little bit down, probably around 129, I think. That's one area to look at. And then if we fail that, we're probably going to the 110 area for Sol, where I don't want to see price close any bodies below the 100, what is that, 99.2 area. But by the way, I'm gonna bring an astrologer on the channel. He's a financial astrologer. So you guys, he's going to tell you what's happening, but I'm going to tell you in terms of astrology, right? They're predicting on the lunar eclipse to have a massive dump. Like the last lunar eclipse that we had, such as this one, was exactly when we had the crash in 2008. Can you believe it? So I think that it's probably going to drop at that point. And then somewhere in March, and then we're clear, and then we can continue the bull run till October or something like that. That'll be ideal for me. Otherwise, it's just like, oh, I don't believe in any of those things that we're gonna have a dump in May and then, you know, continue the bull run until like next year. I think the bull run is going to continue probably into end of this year, but before that, we clearly need to have some massive clearage, and the opportunities that are going to come for that are going to be insane, right? Let's have a look at the trade. Oh my God, this is the slowest thing I've ever seen. It's so slow, so slow. They just need to decide, oh, I like this doji candle here. This is nice. If we get a bearish after the doji here on the 5-minute, that's a good sign. That's a very good sign. Crypto Astro guy? Yeah, Crypto Astro guy is going to be sick. He's going to tell us like all the astrology in regards to crypto and how it stands for this bull run. Like when are the stars aligning basically for us to start this bull run, So I think it's going to be actually really cool. Okay, so you guys gave up on the music. I can see that. But what if I go and like I edit the description of this video and I just add the credits? Would we be in trouble then? Where do you see the bottom for ETH? We discussed that yesterday, didn't we? You follow who? Anupam? Sorry, I missed your message, bro. Yeah, so I think if we start dropping, we probably like will take this low here on ETH. We probably take that low. So we're looking at around the $2,000 area for any recovery. We have some liquidity sitting down here at 1,900.01. So worst case scenario, we're going to take that liquidity, tap into the order block, and then continue for ETH. Like I don't want this to happen, but At the same time, I want to because I want to catch a trade. Market's probably waiting for financial reports. Yeah, probably. I really want to listen to some music here while we watch these charts do nothing. It's so slow, honestly. So slow. Let's hope we get somewhere. I want to win this one. Oh, you're gonna give me a wick fill now? Really? Okay. That's fine. How boring. Shall we look at some other alts? Let's have a look. Anything else? Are you guys holding anything? To me, Bitcoin seems the safest right now. Sonic. What was that? Phantom? For music, can you use YouTube's audio library? Nah, I don't think so. It has to be something that we can actually something that's not something that's copyright free, basically. That's what we need. That simple. Copyright, chill, lofi background music. Ugh. Nick from LOC likes Ondo. What's your opinion on that? Ondo was not too bad. How is he doing, by the way? Nick. Ondo. Where is Ondo in my list? What the hell? It's probably on top somewhere. Yeah, we can re-add it, whatever. Ooh, look at that. We just sniped that liquidity here that we've marked from. Oh, wait a minute. It's not even sniped. Hold on 1 second here. Hold on 1 second. Uh-oh. Oh my lord. Ondo's liquidity is not even taken. Well, that's not good. Any longs on Ondo, I'd be very careful right now. Because it seems like it wants to go to 0.9030 on a higher time frame. This is what we're dealing with Ondo right now. This is the price leg that we're trading. We lost the 0.5% on Ondo. So guess what's going to happen? Ondo is going to go down to the 0.236 in my opinion. So from here, take that liquidity down here on Ondo. And with the drop, it's probably going to start traveling down into this massive weekly order block, which is this one here. This little red candle on Ondo. So with that drop, we're probably dropping a bit further on Ondo. But honestly, you guys, I'd rather have it happen now than later, you know, than in May, for example. That would be terrible. I'd prefer if it happens now. Oh, H bar. Yeah, I agree. I've been looking at H bar as well. Let's have a look. A, B, C, D. Where's H? H bar. H bar on the monthly. I have one buy zone here. Let's actually lower the time frame. No, not like that. It's a bit further down the line, but yeah. Thank you, Sugar Cookie, for reminding me for H bar because I think it's gonna be good. Guess who's buying Ondo when it drops? I don't know. Give me the ticker for Sonic S, please, Emmanuel. I didn't forget it. I just don't know the ticker. I asked you, like, what is it? Yeah, so I think Ondo with that drop down to, we actually have one more zone here. Oh, sorry, that's H bar. We actually have one more zone down here. It's S. The ticker is S. All right, let's have a look at S. Oh, I actually have it. I'm pretty sure I have it. Wait. Where is it? Oh, I'm on it right now. Look at this weekly candle. Oh my God. Okay, okay. Not too bad. It doesn't look too bad. It looks good. It actually looks good. Oh, sorry, we need to change that to... It doesn't look bad. Uh, 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 uh. What are we looking at? Is that the 4-hour? Yes, here we go. Oh, okay. Yeah, so it seems like it seems good. It seems great. What a good trade that would be. On this leg here, we trace to this zone. What a beautiful long. But I wasn't watching at this. This would have been such a beautiful long. Oh my God. Look at this perfect trade. It's just perfect. So perfect. Long here. Would have been great. Long term, of course, not short term. Now, if this bullish leg is really bullish, like it shows, then that means that it needs to hold the 0.5. So with any drops that we might get, we should be able to protect. So anything below the 0.5 should be a weakage situation, a weakage legit. We legitimize the word weakage. So it should be a wick type of situation. Even if you get like a body close, it shouldn't be that strong of a candle, right? Something like this. And then another wick. As long as there is wicks like no body close below like the 50% of that zone, it's considered strong in my opinion. So this is a bullish leg, a new thing. It seriously could have a lot of potential. What is happening? Oh my Lord, this is not moving for anything. I'm telling you, this trade still has a lot of potential, so I'm holding it. By the way, this sort of entries that I take, specifically this entry here, when I take, it's very, very rare that you are just going to like tap into and then go. This is not one of my sniper trades that I take usually. This is a trade that I know that price will go into the stop loss zone at some point. So this for me is absolutely normal. There is no volume. I don't see a reason. We don't have music. I'll try and organize some music for us tomorrow, but we're here now. We're here for over an hour, so I'm going to call it a day for today, and I'll see you guys on Discord. If you haven't liked the video, like it. It's very important that you like the video. And yeah, I'll see you guys on Discord. I'm there all the time for you guys, so yeah. I shall see you tomorrow.